Look at this creep. Ah, crap, dog. So you broke a strut.
Will you quit videoing shit?
No. No, I will not. You all trying to look away and not look over here. Get him, Taz. Bite him. Kick his ass. Hump him. Make him your bitch. You know he likes that.
Every dog does.
Car looks okay to me.
I got the Taz! I got the Taz! You blockhead. You blockhead.
Funny your wheels are still sitting straight.
Oh, knothead.
He snotted all over you, didn't he?
Get him! Get him! Get him, Taz! Get him! Get him!
I'll laugh when Taz just knocks you over.
Hey! Bit my ass. Alright, sit.
He's a fat ass. Look at that cow. Yeah. Now I gotta go get my keys. Oh crap.
Let's go for a ride, Taz. Yeah!
Way the hell over here. Ah. I need a Fortuna. What the? Hey! A sneak attack! Son of a bitch. A little close parking here. Baby! French freshly tilled garden. Soda hiding in the bushes. He ran from my shoe.
Get him, Taz! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Eh.
Ow, Taz! Ow! Get him!
Taz like, whatever.
You're one happy dumb dog, you know it?
Alright. Jeremy's nice expensive phone. He's had his charger sitting there for like 4 days now. Huh? Is he what?
Does he still know it's there?
I'm sure he does. I ought to take it down just to do it.
I'll be right back.
You'll be right back, huh? Are my eggs ready yet? I'm hungry. Is my eggs done? Yay! My eggs is done. Friggin' right. Friggin' right. Look at that. God damn it. Gotta clean up the mess. Huh? Oh, hey. Tell your uncle I found that bolt. The one that goes in the transfer case thingy. It's right here. I knew I put it somewhere safe. Because it's not really that important, but I was like digging through all my shit. Yeah. Oh.
Get out of there, Taz.
Yeah.
What's he do? Just come out here and eat?
It's even got the freaking collar on it and everything. That's for him.
Oh, alright.
That's for him.
Okay.
That's for him. Take it. Put it in your glove box. Hey,
Is that how you feed him? Is over the garage?
Yep. Hey, good luck with that, Jack. Broke it.
How'd you manage that?
Broke it.
Broke it off, or?
I don't know. Jeremy did it. Of course. My trick causing spark plug right there. It's got to get fixed if we're going to use that thing. That's why, you know, I have my 5-mile long extension in my crankjack thing. No, no, no. Hey, goofball, don't you see parts missing off there? Yeah. It's got to be welded.
Welded to what?
The pieces over there in that pile of rubble. Little metal fucking son of a bitch. There it is, right there by the black tape. Right there, black tape. Black tape. There it is. All right. I haven't got to it yet. It's got to be welded. I was thinking about putting some more beef onto the sucker. You know, welding some more steel onto it. And that pin's not in there all the way. Yeah, good luck with that. This is a Jeremy built repair job here, buddy. And see the trick here though sausage, we got to get some water, and we got to keep that shaft cool, because if that gets hot, that goes down and it could melt the seals inside of it. So looks like I'll go fill up a bucket of water.
It won't get that hot.
Yes, it will. Yes, it will. It will. I'm telling you. I tell you. There's my coffee cup. I'm looking for you. Instead, I'd use my other one. Yeah, luckily, I have lots of spares. Look at you. Of course, you're eating. Oh, here comes Taz. He's gonna fucking chooch it. You heard that grinder. You gotta go bite it. He's gotta bite it. You gotta bite it. Yes. Quit it. Fuckhead. Tess, come on. Get out of here. Tess. Ah, shit. I'm gonna turn this off and fix this sucker. Alright.